All right, fifth grade, we have lesson 11, word problems about combining. So when you have word problems about combining, call that a sum, more, and total problem. So you have sum, then you add more, and then you have your total. Or if you replace those with variables, you have s plus n equals t. So when we're doing a word problem about combining, we have three steps. Step 1, write the equation. Step 2, you find the missing number. And then step 3, you check whether our answer is reasonable and did we do all of our math correctly. So let's take a look at this one here. So remember our three steps when we have a sum and some more problem. Step 1 is write the equation. So we have the troop hiked 8 miles in the morning and 7 miles in the afternoon. Altogether, how many miles did the troop hike? So step 1, we need to write the equation. Well, 8 miles in the morning, 7 miles in the afternoon. So 8 plus 7 equals our total. Okay? Because we just plugged in sum plus more equals total. There we go. So step 1, done. Step 2, find the missing number. In this case, our missing number is t, so that's an easy one to find. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 gives us 15. So check, and then our math is correct. So we have 15 would be t, total miles, 15 miles. All right, let's try another one. So we have sum plus more equals total. Is our equation. After Dwayne paid Destiny $120 for the rent, Destiny had $645. How much money did Destiny have before Dwayne paid Destiny for rent? So sum plus more equals total. And we know that after Dwayne paid Destiny $120 for rent, he had $645. So in this case, we know the total. We know $645 is our total. All right. And we know how much you got paid, so we know the more part, which would be $120. Now all we need is the sum part. So what plus 120 gives us 645? You would just subtract. So I'm going to do 645 minus 120, and that will give me 5 down here, 2 here, and a 5 here. So $525 would be my sum. So how much did Destiny have before Dwayne paid for rent? Would be $525. And then we could check that by doing 525 plus 120. And it checks out, gives us $645. So $525. All right. Cheryl counted 18 children on the playground before the bell rang. After the bell rang, more children ran onto the playground. Then Cheryl counted 98 children. How many children ran into the playground? So step 1. We need to write our equation. Sum plus more equals total, or s plus m equals t. All right, and then we need to look at the information we have. We have 18 children before the bell. After, we know we had more. So we had 18 plus some more here gives us 98 total children. Is our total. So now we need to figure out what does m equal here. 18 plus what gives us 98? Well, once again, we can subtract. So I'm going to do 98 minus 18. And that's going to give us a 0 here and an 8 here. So 80. M equals 80. Which means that would be my answer, 80 children. and you can check your answer. So you solved, and then you can check your answer by doing 80 plus 18, which gives us 98. So checks out. 80 children ran onto the playground. All right, and then there is your lesson practice.